we should do instead is change this to a local, then replace this with local. Change this with local len is equal to player. Then we could do now is do for this con. It may seem basic, but it's actually better. So then change this to len, print that, and you get that. So that's actually a way more efficient way. Is object-oriented programming. So basically, if you just want to have like a function that you could use repeatedly, that you could easily customize, you could do it. You can make a file that's basically a library that you put these two lines of code in. So basically what this does, initiates a table, and this is the name of the table. So then you add the index, then they basically just a reference to the table. So now we can do is make a function which is new. Then you have the arguments. You have a table that contains the arguments. So you can easily put it into the meta table, which is just the class name. So now you can just make a function that is a method that you could return anything or do anything, which is why Lua is extra flexible and why you use it in like a lot of stuff. And now you need, of course, to return it. So now if you actually want to use it, you have to implement, you have to implement a method by doing this. So first you make a variable called player, right? Or anything. Then do name of lib, then do just that. Friends, why not? Then you can run it. You know, that looks oddly similar to something. It's way too similar. Another tip that you could use is if you want to set the type for a variable or argument, you could do triple dash, then param, then variable name or argument name, then the type you want to be. You could also do a number, was the Lua equivalent of string, integers, floats, doubles, and stuff like that. And then you can set a return value, which is unknown because we return a string and integer. And to actually implement it, we could do that. And I add the underscore G to be fancy because that's actually where it is. Then we can run it and we get this. So yeah, another tip. Okay, another small tip is try using local variables as soon as possible because whenever you use like a global variable, it gets added to the global index. So instead of just going to like where you think it would go, it would go here. Or if you want to ask this, like doing print g dot k, it would take longer than just printing x. So another small one is just doing this for like a table. So we could, instead of doing like for in pairs, because this one is like faster because it is more efficient because it just repeats it 10 times while incrementing this. While this one would do this function again. So that's just a way to optimize it. So instead of just requiring something, I'm guilty of this too, but you should also do this so you could actually make it better, you know? So then another one, actually, this one is really similar to like the last one, but like just functions would be way worse, trust. And so another one, actually, you know, since your pi still at the end, just comment something. And also just another tip for math and random C, try using OS time so it's more random. Oh, let me give you an example real quick. So it gives you 37, right? Wait, what? No way. No way. No way. Have I been lied to my whole entire life? No way this is actually it. No way. This can't be the way we end off the video. This literally can't be. My life has been a lie. Oh, well, there's still hope. There's still hope. There's still hope. Could just be Windows. I feel like every video I'm gonna crash out on Windows. Like, it's literally the main thing. Okay, see? It's just Windows. Literally Windows. Do you not see this? It's literally Windows' fault for this. Like, guys, I'm gonna switch to Linux one day. And you're not gonna like it.